while going through a box of old technologies to be recycled, I came upon a 1980s era discman portable CD player that still sort of worked. I listened to it try to spin up to speed to do its job, but it wasn't able to. It didn't have enough power, energy, ability left in it. But the sound was really interesting because it kept trying to get up to speed, so to speak. So it feels to me like this is a symbol. An example of modernity falling apart, not able to deliver. After only a few years of service, things become obsolete. And yet the effort is still there to spin and to try to deliver what it was programmed to do. So there's something about this sound. So I made it a type of sonic meditation. And I suggest you listen to it without any particular story in mind, just let the sound take you wherever it might in your imagination.